Circular logos with text are very common in the graphics design world. In this Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks video, we will create a circular logo with type on a path. Let's now head to Illustrator. I'm going to hit Ctrl N on my keyboard to create a new document. Let's head to Web and select Common, hitting Create. Let's head to our Tools panel and select Ellipse Tool, which has a shortcut of letter L. Left click, and I'm going to hold Shift and Alt to have a perfect circle. In addition, while I'm still holding Shift and Alt, I can hold my spacebar to move our circle. With our circle created, let's head to Layers, and I'm going to hit T for Type, move to the circumference of our circle. So notice our cursor changed, and I'm going to hold Alt and left click. In this lesson, I'm going to type in certified, all caps. To zoom in on our text, I'm going to hold Alt and rotate our scroll wheel. Let me retype the words certified. Let's now zoom out, holding Alt and rotating our scroll wheel. Let's now head to Properties. And I'm going to hit Ctrl A to select all of our text. Let's increase the size of our text by heading to Character. Let's key in 35 to be exact. And under Paragraph, I'm going to select Align Center. Next, let's grab our selection tool. Let's grab this line. Left click and hold, moving up. So notice the vertical magenta line indicating that we are snapping at the middle. Release. Let's create a copy of our text. Let's head to Layers, select Layer 1, left click and hold, drag and drop this to create a duplicate layer on this icon. Hit T for text. Let's head to Certified, double left click to select all text. I'm going to type in Thought, all caps, by Jomarc. Grabbing our selection tool, let's now rotate our text heading to this vertical line, rotating this. So notice the magenta vertical line, release. We prefer this text to be readable. Now with this layer selected, let's head to Type, Type on a Path, selecting Type on a Path options. And under Effect, let's select Flip and check Preview. Next, we want this text lining up outside of our circle. So with that, let's head to Align Path and select Ascender. Selecting OK. Let's now select Layer 1, which is this text. Head back to Type, selecting Type on a Path options. And under Baseline, let's also select Descender. Activating Preview and hit OK. Let's create another layer. Let's select Layer 1 Copy to have my new layer on top of this. So selecting New Layer, hitting L for Ellipse. Let's drop our center point at this center. Left click and hold our Shift and Alt on our keyboard. I'm okay with this size. Release. Let's head to our stroke and activate color. In addition, let's add an additional text at the center. So grabbing our Type tool, left click here. I'm going to type in JMRC, all caps, Head to Properties. I'm okay with this size. Selecting our selection tool. Let's move this at the center. And congratulations for creating your first digital badge designed in Adobe Illustrator using type on a circular path.